people get too caught up in people trying to like them, you know.
And so what's up with you? Are you going to be running or doing anything that...
Yeah, so I should be getting home after work around like 6. So I'll give you enough time to go ahead and at least try to do a 5K after work every day.
And what is a 5K? 3 miles or?
3.1.
All right.
So it's not bad.
Interesting.
I usually like to go before work, but fuck, I'm leaving the house by 3:30 now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so how long is your drive to get to work?
About hour 45.